In this Argos support video, we will show you how to solve suction issues on your vacuum. It is important to note that vacuum suction power can vary depending on the size and power of the vacuum. Some vacuums are designed for certain surfaces, so check the product information to ensure it is suitable for the type of flooring you are cleaning. Firstly, we recommend checking the vacuum for any suction settings. Try different settings and adjust to your preference. The next step is checking that it is correctly assembled. This means ensuring that all parts are slotting in securely together. If the vacuum uses a filter, you should check for dirt and debris, as dirt will disrupt the airflow. To resolve this, remove the filter and clean following the instructions found in your user manual. In most cases, the filter can be rinsed under running water to clean and then dried thoroughly before refitting. You should clean the filter regularly to prevent excessive build-up. Suction issues also occur as a result of blockages. We recommend disassembling the product, wiping down, checking for blockages, refitting, and trying again. If the vacuum has a floor head with a roller brush bar, then you should check this for any trapped air or dirt and remove if necessary, as this can disrupt operation. If you find the issue only occurs on certain attachments, then check again that these are securely fitted. If the issue remains, it may mean that you need to replace a certain attachment to resume normal operation of the vacuum. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.